Hey everyone, it's Brian. It's time for another 3D print. My son asked for another fidget toy. This time we're going to be printing this called Fidget Cubes MC Edition for Minecraft by Pink 3DP on MakerWorld. So I've already chosen the MC Creeper Fidget Cube Light print profile. Brought it into Bambu Studio, sliced it. It's going to take about 5 hours and 6 minutes. I'm going to hit print and send it, and we'll see it in the morning. All right, so the print's all done. Let's open it up and see what it looks like. Ooh, a little leftover string there. Very cool. Let's give it a flex. Cool. Another fidget in the books.